Here we are with Mill Creek Family Farms AKC Champion Line Cockapoos. Rebecca and John Wayne that are 5.5 weeks old. We've got Holly over there going potty. Good girl. We've had a few accidents since we switched to the big area. A few more than they were doing in the small area. You know, in the small area it was really easy to find and get to, and having more space is a little different. So as an accident happens, I wipe it up with a paper towel and put the paper towel into their litter, and that just helps reinforce where they're supposed to go. Light pink there. She's a running and jumping little girl. Some of them you can't see the colors as well. This is light pink down here at my feet. Miss Holly. And then light purple there, running around. Gold has already gotten his, big boy Gold there has already gotten his ribbon off. You can see it on the floor. Oh, dark pink is going over to go potty. Oh, get in the box. There she goes. Got little guy green here. They like to play. And that's dark purple there, right? Yep, dark purple. She thinks I'm one of her siblings getting her. And that's light blue wanting to wrestle. Mr. Rudy. Dark blue still over here hanging by the food. Blue, dark blue, and light purple. Play, guys. Oh, just scattered the food. It's dark purple there, which is Molly. She's taking a run. Oh. As you can see, the food gets scattered pretty quick. And gold and green. Two boys that just hang out here and want to be petted. Pink's got herself a toy over there. She's wrestling a raccoon. She's got Holly there to back her up if she needs it. And there's a little light purple. She decided to take a run around and see what's going on. Not eat the whole time, huh? Got their food. They're doing really good on it. We did it as you can see Rudy and Mr. Gold there are coming over to eat. And light purple. They started them on the puppy mush, and they just did an excellent job. And this Diamond Naturals small breed puppy is what we get because those kibble size is so tiny. I know I've talked to several of you about that. It helps them be able to get on the dry food really quick. They're really working on weaning off of Mom. She just comes in a couple times a day. They're doing a good job. Everybody's growing strong. Everybody's eating well. And they tear up this space really quick. come out here and vacuum and steam mop it a couple times a day. Sweep it up or vacuum just more often, and then we steam mop. Big part of the potty training is making sure that the smell of potty is only where you want them to go. Because when they can't see, that's how they tell with mom, is when their eyes aren't open, just potty in one area. And mom keeps them clean in the beginning. But they don't go potty where they say go. Jumping in the food and making it splash. So anyway, they're doing good. I wanted y'all to see them and see them in their setup here. You see everybody running around and playing. Oh. All the black puppies but gold decided to have a wrestling match. You're just over here wanting out of the gate, aren't you? Oh, somebody's reaching through to get toes here. Gonna have to get the regular collar so you can see them better. Their hair's getting so fluffy. Oh, don't pull those out. No, 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 Holly. Don't pull those out. No. Alright, well I guess that's my cue to end the video. There they are, all growing and doing great. Ready to meet you in just 2.5 weeks. Hey puppies. Hey puppies. And for those of you who haven't named yours yet, I know it's hard. Sometimes you want to wait and meet them, and that's perfectly fine. But if you do want to go ahead and tell us a name, we can start using it with them. So, okay. Oh. Somebody had an accident on the floor. Alright, I gotta get that cleaned up, and we'll get you pictures at least on Friday, and maybe get you... We'll see if we get another video. It's getting hard with the other litter of puppies too. Gotta get them going. So there they are, all 8 in one shot. That's a hard thing to do anymore.